Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. If you're planning your green card journey in 2026, one decision can completely shape your timeline, stress level, and even where you live during the process. Adjustment of status versus consular processing. Both paths lead to permanent residency in the United States, but they work in very different ways. One lets you stay in the U.S. while your case is processed. The other requires you to complete the process through a U.S. embassy abroad. Choosing the wrong path can lead to delays, complications, or even ineligibility. So understanding both options clearly is critical. Understanding the two green card paths. At the core, these are the only two legal ways to get a green card. Adjustment of status, AOS. You apply while physically inside the United States and stay here during the entire process. Consular Processing, CP. You complete your green card process outside the U.S. through a U.S. embassy or consulate. So the biggest difference is simple. Where are you when you apply? And where do you stay during the process? Adjustment of status explained. Adjustment of status means you change your immigration status without leaving the U.S. You file Form I-485 with USCIS after your immigrant petition is approved, such as Form I-130 for family-based cases, Form I-140 for employment-based cases. Once filed, you remain in the U.S. while your case is processed. USCIS schedules a biometrics appointment and later an interview at a local office. A major benefit is that you can also apply for Work Permit EAD Form I-765, Travel Permission, Advanced Parole, Form I-131. This means you can legally work and, with permission, travel while waiting. But there's a condition. You must have entered the U.S. legally and have a visa number available in your category. Consular Processing explained. Consular processing is done outside the United States. After your petition is approved, your case is sent to National Visa Center, NVC. The NVC collects fees, civil documents, affidavit support, Form I-864. Once everything is complete, your case is forwarded to a U.S. embassy or consulate in your home country. You then attend an in-person interview. If approved, you receive an immigrant visa stamped in your passport. You enter the U.S. as a permanent resident, and your green card arrives later by mail. This process is mandatory if you're outside the U.S. or not eligible for adjustment of status. Inside the adjustment of status journey. Adjustment of status is a multi-step process. 1. Approval of immigrant petition. 2. Filing Form I-485 package. 3. Biometrics appointment. 4. USCIS interview. 5. Green card approval. During this process, you can live in the U.S., work legally, and build your life while waiting. The interview is conducted at a USCIS field office where an officer reviews your eligibility, documents, and background. If everything is correct, approval follows within weeks. Work and travel benefits in AOS. One of the biggest advantages of adjustment of status is flexibility. You can apply for Work Authorization, EAD card, Advanced Parole for travel. This allows you to stay productive and mobile while your green card is pending. However, traveling without advanced parole can cancel your case, so timing is critical. Risks and limitations of adjustment of status. Not everyone qualifies for AOS. Common barriers include entering the U.S. without inspection, certain immigration violations, criminal history or removal orders, visa category not current. Even if you qualify, visa availability must be current under the visa bulletin system. Some categories have long waiting times. Inside consular processing step-by-step. Consular processing follows a structured path. USCIS approves petition. Case moves to National Visa Center. Documents and fees are submitted. Interview scheduled at U.S. Embassy. Visa approval and U.S. entry. After entry, you become a permanent resident immediately, but you must complete all steps abroad before entering the U.S. The role of the National Visa Center. The NVC stage is unique to consular processing. They ensure all documents are complete, fees are paid, financial sponsorship is verified, visa number is available. Delays often happen here due to missing or incorrect documents. Careful preparation is essential to avoid setbacks. What happens at the consular interview? The consular interview is the final decision point. You'll be asked about your relationship or job, background history, intentions in the U.S. The officer reviews your entire file in 15 to 30 minutes. If approved, you receive your immigrant visa immediately. If not, you may get a 221G request, meaning additional documents are required. In some cases, administrative processing may delay approval for weeks or months. Comparing timelines, AOS versus CP. Timelines depend heavily on visa category and country. Adjustment of status. Typically 12 to 24 months for family-based cases. Work permit may arrive in 3 to 6 months. Consular processing. NVC stage, 2 to 6 months. Interview wait varies by country. Total time, 12 to 18 plus months or longer. For some countries, consular interviews can be faster. For others, USCIS processing may be quicker. There is no universal winner. Who should choose adjustment of status? AOS is usually best if you are already inside the U.S. legally, entered with a valid visa, are immediate relatives of U.S. citizens, want to work and stay in the U.S. during processing. It offers stability, work freedom, and fewer international risks. Who should choose consular processing? Consular processing is better if you are outside the United States, enter without inspection in many cases, are not eligible for adjustment, want to process with family members abroad. It is also required when AOS is not legally possible. Adjustment of status keeps you in the U.S., allows work, and offers convenience. Consular processing completes everything abroad and ends with entry as a green card holder. Neither path is better for everyone. The right choice depends on your immigration history, visa availability, your current location, your long-term goals. A small mistake in choosing the wrong path can result in delays, denials, or even bars from re-entry. Choose strategically, not emotionally. Your green card journey is not just paperwork. It's a life-changing legal process. Understanding the difference between adjustment of status and consular processing helps you avoid costly mistakes and choose the safest, fastest route for your situation. In 2026, immigration rules continue to evolve, but one truth remains the same. The right strategy always starts with understanding your eligibility first. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more U.S. immigration updates and tips.